goodness. The guy has finished our food already.
I've given her more again.
Ah, baby life. Yummy.
Mommy.
Baby life. You want more? You want more? You too?
Yeah.
Hi guys, hi Positive Vibe family. You welcome to my channel. Guys, it's Sunday and we just got back home few minutes ago, like 45 minutes ago, and you guys saw that I just had to cook and we finished eating. Guys, I've been wanting to cook that food for a long time. I've had it in my dream, I've imagined this, but I didn't just have the strength for it. Thank God finally today I had the strength to make starch, and guys, I haven't eaten starch for a while now and I'm happy I ate it. So guys, today is just there guys, and so today I have few things to do before I call it a day. I have cleaning to do, I have videos to edit, and that will be how I'll be doing today. So guys, I'll see you on the next thing guys. Yeah.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the words out of my mind.
Why?
About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million.
I'm done with some of the activities of today and the only one that is left right now is my editing guys. You know, this morning when I woke up, I just talked about that. The first thing this morning when I woke up, all the plans I had was once I'm done with school run, the next thing is going to be me and this computer. I said it was going to be an editing day for me guys, and my computer just started giving me signal of memory card issue. In this life sometimes sometimes what we plan, you have a particular plan and something else just trips in, you know. If someone had told me that I would go to a shop to fix this computer today, it was not even in my plan, but that's how life is, you know. Well, the Bible says all things work together for good guys. So I'm going to be editing, and thereafter I've already cooked dinner, so I'm not going to be cooking. So it's just editing for me, eat later and sleep. So guys, I'll see you guys when I'm done. Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel.
Miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your.
You know, let that one be in charge when it's that time for the whole scene. You know, you guys know what I mean. So in relationship, let's make adjustment and let who has strength, maybe the other person have weakness in that area.
I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon.
Hey guys, I didn't even know time has gone like this. My goodness. Oh gosh. As I was editing, I was even nodding my head, sleeping. I'll wake up, I'll edit, I'll sleep again. I didn't know time was gone, guys. Oh, I needed to go and pick Greatness from school. So I'm just rushing out now to pick her. I'm already like 7-8 minutes late. I just checked the time and I said, wow, it's already past 4. So guys, I'll see you after I've picked her. Grandma, when I've picked her, after I've picked her. Anyone goes right now. Whoosh. Oh, my baby. Gracie, how are you? What's this thing on your nose? Did you see this thing? Where did you get it? Gracie, come and say hello.
Hello.
You didn't say hello. Well. Say hello.
Hello.
So guys, my assistant is here. Gracie, please stop now. Or my PA. Greta, you want PA or assistant position? Which one do you prefer?
PA.
Oh, Greta says she prefers PA position. So guys, my gorgeous PA is here now. And guys, so guys, thank you so much guys for watching, and I've come to the end of this episode. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And I hope you enjoy. Okay, what's that?
Traffic.
Okay, no, yeah, it's just a mini traffic.
What is mini?
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye.